Students, hope you are doing well. Today's lecture is based on an essay by Joseph Addison. The name of the essay is Lady's Head Dress. Hope you have gone through the essay. Joseph Addison was a great humorist of English literature. He was very well known for his humor, for his irony and satire. So in this essay, he has made a satire of the fashion which sometimes women of our society adopt. So he has just tried to make fun of it to correct the usual trend of doing a certain kind of fashion. So here, which kind of fashion we are talking about? We will discuss about the ladies' headdress, which women used to wear during the 18th century to look pretty or beautiful. So let us start the essay. This is an ironical essay by Joseph Addison. Ironical means like when you say one thing but you mean the other. That means irony. We call it satire or we call it vyang. Okay, that kind of thing. So here he puts the his points in this way. Point number 1. He appreciates women with their natural beauty instead of wearing tall head dresses to look beautiful. Point number 2. He ridicules and mocks women folk for wearing these tall head dresses. Why? Because in comparison to them, men appears like grasshoppers before them. This is an example which Joseph Addison has given. That after wearing that headdress, women look very tall, and in front of them, men just look like grasshoppers. Clear? Point number 3. He again says that women are naturally very beautiful. Hence, there is no need to carry on such a big Gothic mansion on their head. Gothic mansion is like building. Mansion means building. Gothic means, ghostly. It refers to ghostly buildings. So, he says that women consider themselves as an architect and they build a headdress on their head to look more beautiful. It appears like a building. Okay, so there is no need to carry such a big building on their head to look beautiful, as they are naturally very beautiful. Next point. Ladies without the headdresses look like a pygmy, and with it they look like a colossus. Now I have used two words which you have to mention in your answer. The two words are, one is pygmy. Pygmy means very small, and the other word is colossus. Colossus means very big, of very enormous size. So Addison again says that when the women wear that headdress, when they don't wear that headdress, they look like very small. So the word is pygmy, Pygmy. And when they wear that headdress, they look so tall, so big, like a colossus. The spelling is COLOSSUS. Next point. A famous monk, the name of the monk you have to remember, Thomas Connect. He attacked this fashion with great zeal and resolution, so much so that women threw down their headdresses in the middle of the sermon and made a bonfire of them. Okay, so women were very much affected quoted by the sermon of a monk whose name was Thomas Connect, who said that there is no use of wearing these headdresses for women to look pretty. So the sermon affected the women so much that it is said that they just threw their headdresses and they burned it in fire, deciding that they will not wear these headdresses, the fashion of the day, to look beautiful. Last point. So Addison, in this essay, what does he do? He attacks the whole class of fashion-loving women of high society who considers headdresses as necessary to look pretty. Okay, hopefully you have understood the point which Joseph Addison wants to make clear, that women are naturally very beautiful, and there is no need to carry these headdresses, these heavy headdresses, to look pretty or beautiful or to follow the fashion of the time. So he ridiculed, he made a satire, he attacked, or he made a irony or ironical statements against the prevalent use of these headdresses during the certain era. So what happens? Addison attacks the whole class of fashion-loving women of high society who considers these headdresses as very necessary to look pretty. So in this way we end our essay here, and you should note down the important points. Thank you and have a nice day.